Hello English lovers, welcome to online Turkish lecture. I have uploaded a dictionary tutorial for you. Feel free to watch that video and use the dictionaries as you would like. Before getting started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Don't forget to turn on all notifications, leave a comment and give the video a thumbs up. So then, let's get started. First of all, I would like to announce that we will add Turkish Tea Chat scenes as much as possible at the end of the episodes, so you can hear their Turkish speaking. As you remember, this chat that is for you means bu çikolata senin için. Now, how do you make it a question sentence? Very easy actually. You just add me at the end. Bu çikolata senin için. Me is a question making suffix next to some others, which you will see later. Keep in mind that in Turkish we have vowel harmony rule on most of the cases, so that me may turn to mu, mu, and mu, depending on the last vowel of previous word. If the last vowel of the word or word finishes with e or e, then suffix is me. If a or ı, then mı. If o or u, then mu. And if ö or ü, then mu. Here I can tell also back vowels and front vowels. Back vowels are a, I, o, and u. Front vowels are e, I, ö, and ü. Suffix comes according to vowel harmony. I won't go too detailed about this because you will quickly understand after seeing the examples. In Turkish, we don't have gender for objects and pronouns. We understand the gender from the flow of the sentence or conversation. So this is pretty big advantage next to other languages that you don't need to remember if the subject was male or female. Very means çok in Turkish. Çok. Çok. Now repeat these sentences out loud after me. Merhaba, nasılsın? And my answer is çok iyi. Teşekkür ederim. Sen nasılsın? The way we say me too is ben de. Ben de. This de has the same meaning with too. It can be also da, depends on vowel harmony. But don't say ben de to people who say to you, seni seviyorum. Be more romantic. The way we ask do you have in Turkish is var mı? Var mı? Var mı? Pay attention how question suffix turn to mı due to vowel harmony. Do you have computer in Turkish is bilgisayarın var mı? Bilgisayarın var mı? As you say, I didn't say senin bilgisayarın var mı, as possessive suffix at the end of bilgisayar makes it yours. Don't forget to repeat the sentence out loud to make your pronunciation even better. Günaydın, kahvaltı hazır. Very nice way to wake up on Sunday morning, right? Who wasn't allowed to hear, good morning, breakfast is ready on a Sunday morning? Where are you from in Turkish is nerelisin? And we answer only with location name. Some says only town name, some says only city name, some says town and city name together. If you ask nerelisin to me, you will hear Edremit. But in the most formal way, it should be like Edremit Balıkesir. When we are introduced to someone, we say memnun oldum, it's nice to meet you. Most formal way of it is tanıştığımıza memnun oldum, but when it comes to speaking, almost everyone says memnun oldum. Like this. Merhaba. Merhaba. Ben Ali. Ben de Ali. Memnun oldum. Ben de memnun oldum. To want means istemek in Turkish, and to eat is yemek. Yemek. To drink is içmek. Make is infinitive suffix. Unlike English, when we say I like to drink tea, we don't use infinitive suffixes. It is, but we say it as çay içmeyi seviyorum or çikolata yemeyi seviyorum, which means I like to eat chocolate. Excuse me is affedersiniz, but when we speaking, we are saying it as affedersiniz. That would be single F. You can use pardon for affedersiniz in Turkish. Both have same meaning. Excuse me, can I ask a question is affedersiniz, bir soru sorabilir miyim? Or pardon, bir soru sorabilir miyim? The way we ask question with can is adding ebil or abil to word, depending on vowel harmony. You can remember ebil from able, like in English. Just sounds so similar. For example, eve gidebilir miyim? Or yemek yapabilir miyim? Small means küçük, medium is orta, and büyük means big. If you want a big size coffee in Turkey, you can ask it as büyük boy kahve alabilir miyim? But don't ask big boy Turkish coffee. because it has a standard cup size in Turkey, you can ask it as Türk kahvesi alabilir miyim? Then you will hear this question. Nasıl olsun? It means how do you like it? So they are asking sugar level you like. If you like sugar free, then you can say sade or şekersiz. Şeker is sugar and siz is suffix which gives free meaning. Also it can be sız, sus or süz according to vowel harmony. If you want with little sugar, you can say az şekerli. Li suffix is like with in English, and also it changes lu, l, or lu according to vowel harmony. If you want your coffee with moderate sugar, you can say orta şekerli, or shortly orta. If you want sugary, you can say şekerli, and if you want very sweet, then you can say çok şekerli. If you're in an authentic place, you will get also Turkish light, which you know as lokum, or a special type of chocolate next to your Turkish coffee. Enough of coffee? Okay then. Now let me give you a life-saving question sentence. Where is the toilet? You can survive up to 3 days without drinking, up to 40 days without eating. But no one can endure even 24 hours without going to the toilet, right? So the way we ask where is the toilet is tuvalet nerede in Turkish. That's all for chapter 4. Don't forget to check the description part below. You will find the download link where you can download study materials and progress even faster. Tomorrow we will be here with complex looking expressions which are actually very easy. Don't forget to watch Turkish Tea Chat at the end of the chapter. See you tomorrow with chapter 5. Until then, hoşçakalın. Merhaba Nora, welcome to Turkish Tea Chat. Yayınımıza hoş geldin.
Hoş bulduk.
Nasılsın?
Çok iyiyim. Sen nasılsın?
Ben de iyiyim, teşekkürler. As you know, our slogan is progress faster. For this purpose, we will make some daily talk scenarios while we are enjoying our tea at the end of the chapters. What do you think?
I think that's a very good idea.
Okay then, we are starting. Let's introduce ourselves. Merhaba,
Merhaba.
ben Ali.
Nora.
Memnun oldum.
Ben de memnun oldum.
Neredesin?
Macaristan. Sen neredesin?
Edremit. Yemek yedin mi?
Evet, harika bir akşam yemeğiydim.
Ayran içtin mi?
Ayran da içtim. Muhteşem ev yapımı.
Süper. O zaman sinemaya gidelim mi?
Hayır, gitmeyelim.
Neden?
Çünkü salgın var canım.
Haklısın.
Virüsü kapmamayız.
Haklısın. Ne yapalım o zaman?
Evde kalalım.
Peki. Before ending the chapter, would you like to say anything to the viewers?
Yes, let's learn Turkish with fun.
See you on chapter 5 with more Turkish.
Until then, take good care and practice your Turkish.
Bye.
Bye.